on? Are you okay?
I can't find the freaking garage door opener.
Okay, Dad, you can just use the iBlue garage opener. It's on your phone, duh.
iBlue garage opener?
Come on, Dad, get with it. Technology these days.
It's an app, David.
iBlue garage opener. Hey, it works. Thanks, honey.
Okay, love you, bye.
You see that, buddy? Talking car, Wonder Wizard. I opened the garage. I opened the garage door with the phone. I opened the garage door with the phone.
All right. You know what? I've been looking for freedom. I've been looking so long. I've been looking for freedom, and still the search goes on.
You see, who needs a talking car? I got the iBlue garage opener. Bye-bye.
I'm very proud of you, David.
I opened the garage.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Kid, do me a favor. Open up the front door, would you, pal?
As you wish, David.
Not the garage door. The front door.
No door opening function in your app?
iBlue door opener.
I opened
The front door. Check this out, huh? Who needs a talking car? I'm on. Oh yeah.
Thank God, David.
iBlue garage opener. Come on, with it, duh.
Come on,
On your phone, duh. Come on, with it, duh. iBlue garage opener. Come on, with it, duh.
Come on,
On your phone, duh. Come on, with it, duh.
I opened the front door.
The front door.
It works.
I opened the garage door with the phone.
Come on, man.
iBlue garage opener.